Dear students, we are going to discuss about the 10th standard maths, lesson 2, numbers and sequences. Before introducing with this exercise, I want some important formulas to introduce now. Special series. There are some series whose sum can be expressed by explicit formulae. Such series are called special series. Here we study some common special series like first one, sum of first n natural numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. The next one, sum of first n odd natural numbers, using this here 1 plus 3 plus up to 2n minus 1 is equal to n square. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square, using this formula n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. The last one, sum of cubes of first n natural numbers, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus dot 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 n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. Now I explain exercise 2.1. First sum. Find the sum of the series 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 60. Here we consider last term is n. So n is equal to 60. Using the formula sum of first n natural numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 60, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So n is equal to, we substitute 60 here, 60 into 60 plus 1 divided by 2. 60 plus 1, 61. So 60 multiply with 61 divided by 2. 1 2s are 2, 32s are 60. So 30 multiply with 61, we have 1830. So the sum of this, the given series, we have 1830. The next one, find the sum of the given series. The series is 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus up to 96. All the numbers is multiplied with 3. So we take common in 3. The remaining terms in closed bracket 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 32. So here this is sum of first n natural numbers. Here the last number we consider n. So n is equal to 32. Using this formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So 3 multiply with 32 multiply with 32 plus 1 divided by 2. So 3 into 32 into 32 plus 1, 33 divided by 2. Simplify now. 1 2s are 2, 16 2s are 32. So 3 into 16 into 33. 3 multiply with 16, we have 48. 48 multiply with 33, we have 1584. So the sum of the given series is equal to 1584. In the exercise 2.9, first Roman, third sum, find the sum of the given series 51 plus 52 plus 53 up to 92. Here this series starting in the middle places because the natural numbers start with 1, 2. So 1, 2 up to 92, we consider the number line. We find the sum of the series 51 up to 92. So we have no need 1 up to the 51 before number 50. The series increases in 1 numbers. So the 51 before number is 50. But the formula given, find the sum of the series starting with 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. So the first we consider the series 1 up to 92, subtracting 1 up to 50. So we change into the given series into split into two series now. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to the last number 92 minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to the first number before number is 50. So we split into two series in the given series. Here in the first series we have the last number n is equal to 92. Then here n is equal to 50. This is sum of the first n natural numbers. So using this formula 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. In this series n is equal to 92. So 92 into 92 plus 1 divided by 2 minus, in this series n is equal to 50. So 50 into n plus 1 means 50 plus 1 divided by 2. Here 92 multiply with 92 plus 1, 93 divided by 2. 50 multiply with 50 plus 1, 51 divided by 2. Then 1 2s are 2, 46 2s are 92. Here in this series 1 2s are 2, 25 2s are 50. So the remaining numbers is 46 multiply with 93. Subtract now 25 multiply with 51. So 46 into 93 we have 4278 minus 25 into 51 we have 1275. So 4278 minus 1275 we have 3003. So the sum of the given series is equal to 3003. In the first Roman 7th subdivision 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to 71, find the sum of the given series. Here this is sum of n odd natural numbers using this formula n square. Here the given series 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to 71. Here the first we finding how many terms in this series. That is we finding n using this formula L minus a divided by d plus 1. Here L is equal to last term, a is equal to first term, d is equal to difference. So the given series first term is equal to 1. The difference we find in second term subtracting first term, that is t2 minus t1. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. The last term L is equal to 71. So all the value we substitute in this formula. N is equal to L 71 minus A is equal to 1 divided by D is equal to 2 plus 1. Then 71 minus 1 we have 70 divided by 2 plus 1. We simplify now. 2 table 1 2s are 2, 35 2s are 70. So 35 plus 1 we have 36. So number of the terms in the given series n is equal to 36. So now we using the sum of n odd natural numbers is equal to n square. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to 71 is equal to 36 square. 36 into 36 is equal to 1296. So the sum of the given series is equal to 1296. The Roman first one, sixth sum, find the sum of the given series 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 up to 225. See the series, here all the numbers in square numbers. So we change into the given series 1 into 1 square, we consider 4 is 2 square, 9 is 3 square, 16 is 4 square, up to 225 is 15 square. So the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers using this formula 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to n square is equal to n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Here n is equal to 15. Substitute n is equal to 15 in this formula. We have 15 multiplied with n plus 1, 15 plus 1, 2n plus 1, 2 multiplied with 15 plus 1 whole divided by 6. Here 15 multiplied with 15 plus 1, 16, multiplied with 2 multiplied with 15, 30, 30 plus 1, 31 whole divided by 6. Now we simplify now 2 table, 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. Then we simplify in 2 table, 1 2s are 2, 8 2s are 15. So the remaining number is 5 multiplied with 8, 5 8s are 40, multiplied with 31. So 40 multiplied with 31, we have 1240.